Ever dreamt of gliding through traffic while others stew in their diesel fumes? Meet Arthur, a man on a mission to save time, beat the morning rush, and maybe even grab a decent cup of coffee before work. All this thanks to his secret weapon, an electric car. Arthur isn't a superhero, he's a regular bloke battling the daily grind. But Arthur's got an edge. He's discovered that ditching diesel isn't just good for the planet, it's a one-way ticket to reclaiming lost hours. Buckle up as we follow Arthur on his electrifying daily drive. Arthur's day starts like everyone else's, a mad dash against the clock. Finding parking is usually a nightmare. Then there's the dreaded fuel station queue, a black hole for precious minutes. But not Arthur. He breezes past the petrol station, a smug grin on his face. He charges his car at home overnight while he dreams of electric sheep. No more queuing, no more overpriced diesel. That's time saved already. Arthur's first victory? The supermarket. While diesel drivers circle the car park, Arthur plugs into a charging point. He pops in for his groceries and boom, car's charged, shopping's done, and he's still got time to spare. Next up, the school run. Usually it's a stop-start ordeal, a symphony of idling engines. Not today. Arthur zips through traffic, enjoying the silent acceleration of his electric car. He's the envy of every parent stuck in the school gate gridlock. Arthur's day is a testament to the hidden superpower of electric cars' time travel. Okay, not literally, but by eliminating petrol station detours and maximizing charging opportunities, he's bending time in his favor. So if, like Arthur, you're tired of time slipping through your fingers, maybe it's time for an electric adventure. You might just discover that the future of driving is not just about saving the planet, but about saving yourself some precious time too.